Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Iran-Shiraz. If you travel to Shiraz, make sure to visit the delicious and colorful shops in Dasht Arzhan. In this video, we not only take a tour of Dasht Arzhan, but at the end, I'll reveal a big secret about the history of this region that many people don't know. Dasht Arzhan was once an important commercial and strategic hub in ancient Iran. It is said that during the Achaemenid and Sassanid periods, this area was recognized as a key station along trade routes. This means that Dasht Arzhan is not only a beautiful natural location, but also a historically significant site full of cultural landmarks. If you're interested in travel and Iran, don't miss my videos and please subscribe. Thanks for watching.